Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we got a little bit of a crypto market update, as well as what's going on in the market right now. What are some of the best opportunities to get exposed to, and more or less a deep dive on some of the top meme coins I'm buying right now. Guys, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out any updates like this, as we cover many meme coins on this channel, pre-sale on this channel. We are everything and anything crypto. Also, the chat box is open. Feel free to join the conversation in the chat box, where we could just chill, talk it out, a little late night crypto session, a little bit of fun. Let's go ahead and take a look. Starting things off on CoinMarketCap. We're seeing markets up about 0.69% on the day. We're seeing the volume about 1%. Fear and greediness currently 42 neutral, which is bullish because yesterday we were at, if I'm not mistaken, 41, so 1% in the right direction. But we'll take this 1% at a time, one day at a time. All season 56 at 100, and then the average RSI is currently 54.53. So again, looking good. Not too much in the oversold, not too much in the overbought. In a decent category to be in. We see what's going on in the market. Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go ahead and start this off on this article. It's a bit older, but again, a $10,000 price prediction for ETH is very bullish, because obviously if ETH hits 10K, this caused a whole rally in the crypto space. So Ethereum chart signal alt season, as analysts predicts 10K ETH price at the top. Okay, so crypto analysts and several metrics suggest that altcoin season will begin once Ether's price breaks at new all-time highs. And again, we've seen Ethereum price break all-time highs just a couple of days ago, or not a couple of days ago, a couple of weeks ago, and we definitely saw momentum building from there. And the question is, once that momentum starts to regain, are we going to see ETH break all-time highs? Now, historically speaking, guys, September hasn't been a great month for crypto. It also in general doesn't really translate to a great month in the stock market either. However, on October is generally more of a bullish month. Again, we have this coin phrase, only up October. Perhaps we're leading up to something bullish. We're already first week into September. And again, the markets haven't been really up or down, to be honest. We're kind of in this neutral zone. Bitcoin, for example, is in the green 2%. Ethereum down about 2%, which is fair as well. Okay, XRP up 5%. For the most part, most altcoins, I should say, are more or less in the red on the week, which is rather bullish, especially for September being a bad month. Again, with October being only up October, and historically speaking, a positive month, we might just see some bullish momentum arise, which will cause the markets to pump. We're already seeing the trending on the trending tab. We're seeing meme coins starting to trend again. We go over to the actual meme market cap on CoinMarketCap, and we're seeing Doge trending number 2, Shib trending number 3, and Pepe trending number 4. Again, these aren't necessarily trending, I should say. These are the most visited, so a lot of attention. We're seeing, in terms of top gainers, we're seeing Simon up 80%. Simon, I believe that's Simon the Gator. Phoenix up 50%. That's an XRP meme coin. And Patriot, I'm not too sure about this one, up 43%, another meme coin as well. So again, that's the 3 top gainers in the market today. We actually go ahead and take a look at some of these ones in a moment. Let's actually go ahead and take a look at Phoenix. So again, Phoenix is a pretty cool one. This is XRP meme coin I've covered a lot in the past before. Having a green day up nearly 50% on the day is rather bullish. I'm not too sure what this catalyst was to send it, but again, it looks like, okay, so Joel Katz uses his Phoenix X NFT as his profile picture, bull signal. So again, looks like Joel Katz is pretty big in the XRP space. So again, him jumping to add the XRP image, I guess rather bullish, which causes to see a 50% spike. Again, usually spikes like this don't last. So again, I wouldn't try to top last, I wouldn't enter in. But again, if you've never seen this one before or been on the sideline for this one, this could be the catalyst for you to revisit. Again, every chain has its champion. Could this XRP meme coin be the next big meme coin? Maybe not the biggest meme coin in the world and like the top traded meme coin, but could it be the best meme coin on XRP? Absolutely. And it's always good to support the best in the top. So again, that's looking pretty bullish. Back to the meme coin market update for the day, we're up about 4% for the memes. Okay, volume up nearly 60%. On the month, we're currently down about 1%, but again, not too bearish, guys. For September being a historically bad month, again, we're seeing relatively decent price action. Again, we are having this bullish momentum, and this is the beginning of alt season. Back to the article, let's see where they're predicting some ETH to go. So again, ETH price could top at 10K this cycle. So analysts using the wick off method points to potential Ethereum price breakout to $3,200 mark, according to crypto analyst Milky Bull. Ethereum is done with tests and reaccumulation, and the analyst wrote that in June 26 on X post. Okay, what did he write? look to shoot up all-time highs this cycle. So again, it looks like having some technical analysis for proof here as well, and preparing for the alt season. And some key takeaways from the article: Ethereum technical breakdown suggests ETH price may hit 10K this cycle. Altcoin season index says it's prime time to accumulate lagging altcoins, and Bitcoin dominance nearing 70 could trigger a full blowout alt season very soon. Currently, time of filming this video, we're not seeing a 70, we're seeing more of a 56%, but again, still rather bullish. And this could absolutely send this market a big catalyst, a big market sentiment shift could actually push the markets into the green. Again, we've already seen the launch of World Liberty Financial, which a lot of people were hoping was going to be like a massive event, really being a tail off to what we could expect in the markets. But again, that hasn't necessarily been the case. In terms of World Liberty, we're actually down about 10% today alone at 21 cents, which I believe was list price. So again, it's doing okay, guys, right? World Liberty Financial price is bouncing after post-listing drop. World Liberty price is currently bouncing off its support, a descending channel. If the price remains its current trend, it will reach 25 cents to 36 cents. So it looks like price potential for World Liberty Financial could be about 36 cents. Do let me know if you guys are holding a bag of World Liberty and where you see it to go. Some people are expecting to see it go as high as like $10 the day of launch. But people also thought that Trump coin would follow suit with World Liberty, cause it to pump. And Trump coin in the green today, about 0.25%. On the week in the red, on the month in the red as well. Again, some people are hoping to see Trump coin, World Liberty, this whole Trump saga, meme coins to take off. That hasn't been the play just yet, but hopefully something can come from this very soon. Also, you can see in terms of the advertisement, guys, this is an advertisement for Snorter. Snorter is another crypto pre-sale product that I've been watching lately, talking about finding the next 100x gem. Could Snorter be the next 100x gem? This is a Solana-based meme coin that's building momentum, guys. You can't ignore this one. Snorter, we see the pre-sale project currently trading for just above 10 cents, and it's raised nearly over $3.7 million in their pre-sale. And 1 day and 2 hours, they're actually set to increase the price, and you can buy directly from the website with Carter Crypto. But what is Snorter? Snorter is a Solana meme coin trading bot. As you can see, Snorter is the best crypto pre-sale to buy now. Meet Snorter, the ventures aardvark that blends meme coin fun with real crypto trading prowess. Powered through Telegram, Snorter is the best crypto trading bot helping you sniff out the rarest opportunities in the market. They're offering the lowest fees on Solana, fast execution time, exclusive access to new tokens, and front running and MEV protection. Some of the bot features include honeypot detection, rug pull protection, copy trading, limit orders, automated sniping, and fast and secure swaps. These are all the features compared to some of the top trading bots in the market today. And again, Snorter checking off a lot of those boxes. Again, if this hits the market hard, could this be the next 100x gem? Potentially. I definitely had my eye on this one. Over 11,000 followers on X. Snorter could be gearing up for something absolutely massive, especially the crypto markets are starting to pick up. Even talking about looking for 100x gems, Snorter is like Snorter. Not about Snorter, but just sniffing out the markets. We're seeing interesting theme in terms of the meme coin market where there's not a specific leading meta. Now, is this a good thing or bad thing? Not necessarily good or bad. Oh god, that was such a long sip. The cup is so long and the cup's empty. God, I can't believe I'm live right now. But sorry guys, kind of getting used to this live streaming thing. Let me see some love in the comments. And what coins are you guys buying? Let me know. But back to the narrative thing, we're not seeing one narrative specifically taken off, which is fine. But usually when we do see one narrative, we do see more opportunities, especially when this is more for the trenching side. In terms of the top meme coins, we can't have a narrative. Every meme can't be the same. The only narrative we could see that's usually successful is a specific chain. And again, in terms of DEX screen for top chains, it's like there's no argument here. It's Solana. Again, most of these are coming from Pump Fund, primarily Solana platform. So again, that obviously makes sense. But again, no clear narrative in the markets. But we're obviously always searching for opportunities. Talking about 100x gem, guys, if you're wondering where I search for 100x gems, usually I search on DEX Scanner. DEX was a great place to just screen and check. I also like using CoinMarketCap as well. I know CoinMarketCap is not the best place to find the rarest and newest opportunities, but the training time is a good one. Top performers are a good one. Sometimes, like we started out in the beginning of the live, if you're joining late, you go back. A great way to find some top performing gems is you go onto CoinMarketCap, okay? You go to the two spots. We'll start off with the trending tab. So if you just go to trending, some of these top coins, a great opportunity, right? This one, for example, I don't know anything about stay layer or sat layer. We go to all, we see at one point it was kind of doing this thing up 10 cents, currently trading 2 cents, okay? So maybe there could be potential there of at least a 5x, okay? Now you got me interested. Now go on and check their website, check their socials, see what it's about, see if it's legit or not. And then very quickly it looks like it's a BNB coin, which is looking cool. Okay, I like it. I like what I'm seeing. I'd go on verified, so on and so forth. Now there was trending today, so let's see the price action. In terms of dates, up about 10%. On the week, up about 11%, primarily from today. On the month, down 73%. So this could be concerning. Why did it dump? What went wrong? Now I go in and research. After doing my research, I feel like it's safe, and now I gotta decide if I want to enter in. It's already up 10%, so maybe I don't buy today because tomorrow it might lose momentum and I can enter in again at a better price point. And again, if it reaches previous all-time highs, I'm talking about easy 5x potential, right? Or in this case, it's 3 cents, so about 3x, a little bit over 3x. A great way to find opportunities there. And again, in this case, let's just say I really want to buy in. And again, we know it's going to dump at least slightly because it's pumping. Maybe just dollar cost average. If you're going to invest $1,000, maybe just start with a smaller bag, $100, and have 10 entry points throughout the week. That way, or I guess not the week, throughout the week and a half or throughout 2 weeks. That way you can enter optimal prices if it continues going down. And also, if it goes down, you had 3 price points and you're starting to feel bearish on it, you didn't lose your whole $1,000 bag. And again, this method works if whether you're investing $100, $50, $20. Dollar cost average is a very smart try and true method. Okay, so that's one way, find a trending tab. Another way, like we start off the live, was you go straight to the Memecoin tab and you see what's the top gainers. Again, the reason why top gainers are bullish is it's significant volume. Simon's up 80%. This is a Ethereum-based meme coin, Matt Fury style. I've covered a ton on my own channel before, but this one's up over 80% because they have some centralized exchange listing announcement. It hasn't been listed on exchange, but announcement caused the pump over 80%. So again, that's a catalyst. Maybe I don't buy it today because, you know, there's hype. Maybe I'll wait till tomorrow or the day after. But that's a great opportunity. Phoenix looks like some big figure in the XRP space, specifically just changed his profile picture to this. Again, another bullish sign. Might cause me to want to enter into the trade or at least add to my radar. In this case, I already knew about Phoenix and I already hold a bag, so great for me. Maybe I take profits. But if you're new, okay, something's there with Phoenix, something's cooking there. It's an XRP meme coin, so on and so forth. Okay, now Patriot. Okay, Patriot on the other hand, I know nothing about, so let's go ahead and do a live scan on Patriot. So Patriot up 40%. This is the one. Just by the name, obviously it looks like something US based, you know, Patriot, patriotism, United States, gotta love it. Down over 80%. So it looks like a previous pump and dump style meme coin. Let's go ahead and take a look at the socials. Quick scan. Go on the socials. So Patriot token. We see this Donald Trump figure. 15,000 followers on X. So you have a decent following. He's looking good once again. And real Trump continues to cook crypto policies that will put the US on top. So again, this is like Trump style, meme coin style, political American type meme. Again, only issue with this one is, in my opinion, it's probably just pumping because of the whole world liberty thing. Again, the community tab, we're not seeing any reason why someone's okay. It broke out, sending channel targets $20. Okay, this is let's talk about riot. So again, just scanning. That's how you find opportunities. Okay, the website link is dead. We can check the website from their X. So it looks like website link's dead. A little bit concerning. Looks like some security measures that I could go through and check out later. But again, I'll scan it quickly. Personally speaking, I'm not a big fan of this whole patriotic meme coins. I mean, Trump coin obviously is because it's by Donald Trump, so of course I'm gonna load in here or there. But again, I'm not really interested. This would be like these other like knockoff Donald Trump meme coins. I would pass it. Okay, so again, that's 2 or 3 different methods on how to find 100x gems. You can literally do this every single day yourself. Scan and scan and scan, and don't even buy, guys. Like, don't even buy. That's the best part about crypto. It's so fast and every day is changing. Your goal as someone new to crypto, or even someone advanced trying to just make more money crypto, is study, learn the game, find patterns, intercept the market, and repeat, right? So again, like we did with sat layer, with Patriot, with Phoenix, any of the examples we did, we saw it, okay? And I told you, usually when it pumps, it's gonna crash, okay? So let's watch a couple days. For example, this is your homework if you want to take this serious. What's Phoenix? It's up 50%. I predict it's gonna crash at least 10 to 12% in the coming week. Let's see if it happens, right? And then you can see, okay, was he right or wrong? Okay, it did dip. All right, a couple days later, a new catalyst caused it to pump even stronger. Okay, but I bought it when it dipped, and I'm already in profit, you know, and so on and so forth. You don't even need to do this without investing your actual money. You can just like almost like paper trading or mental trading. So you learn the patterns, so you can implement it into your own trading strategies. Another strategy that we really implement on this channel specifically is investing in pre-sale projects. I already covered one, Snorter. Another project that's very hot right now is Bitcoin Hyper. Now, this one's a mix of a meme coin, but not really meme coin. It has the meme-esque vibes with like the mascot or whatever, but really and truly it's a utility coin. This one's offering L2 technology to Bitcoin. This one's called Bitcoin Hyper, the fastest Bitcoin L2 chain. Scale and speed for Bitcoin are finally here. Bitcoin Hyper will power the fastest layer in Bitcoin history. Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin, payments, meme coins, and dApps. This one raised over $14.4 million in pre-sale. And it's crazy because on average, they're raising over $250,000 a day. And it's all verifiable. You go on their X where they post milestones and you can literally see for yourself. Okay, so a couple of guys, sorry guys, I gotta take a water break. My mouth's getting real dry. Drink your water, ladies and gents. All right, September 5th, they posted $14 million raised. At the time of this live, it is technically September 8th because it's past midnight, but in reality, for me, it's still September 7th. The day's not over until I sleep, okay? So in 2 days, okay, so a little over 48 hours, they raised over $443,000. So again, almost $500,000, which is therefore almost $250,000. On a conservative side, if you want to look at it, because like it's a discrepancy a little bit more than 48 hours, it's not actually $500,000. They're raising $200,000 a day. And again, you can literally do the math and just continue to go on down the rabbit hole. We see it on August 30th. They raised 13 million. August 30th was approximately 7 to 8 days ago. So again, do the math. They're doing on average $200,000 a day. Raising money fast usually is a signal that whales are entering, and whales only enter if they see promise in the project, which is why I'm very bullish for Bitcoin Hyper. Again, another reason to be bullish is their stake and rewards offering 73% and a strong and growing community on X as well. Also, talking about community, guys, you, the subscribers, are my community. And I have a personal favor to ask you. I want you guys to check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is an anonymous crypto wallet, similar to like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Phantom Wallet. But this one's cool because it has a clean UI and it's very user-friendly. Whether you're new to crypto or you're advanced and been in it for a while, like someone like me, this is a great wallet for you. It's available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Check this one out. Best Wallet is where you can buy and swap Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with the Best Wallet. The smartest way to buy, store, and manage your crypto. Available on Google and Apple. Feature on Forbes, Money, New York Post, a bunch of reputable sources in the crypto and finance space. Multi-chain, multi-wallet, non-custodial, where you could buy, you could store your crypto, obviously deposit, you could send, which is generic features. Swap, which is a generic feature, but again, it's just very clean, especially for cross bridging. Again, it's always been so painful when you cross bridging on Uniswap and like things are not going well. You know, knock on wood. Best Wallet swapping features are probably the main reason why I still keep it as a wallet. Again, it just for swapping, it's go-to for me. Plus, supports 60 chains. Check it out. It's free download and supports the channel tremendously if you're looking for another crypto wallet. Now, before we're talking about Best Wallet, we're talking about pre-sale projects. So let me show you guys a couple other pre-sale projects that have some pretty solid opportunities. So we covered Snorter, which is a Solana trading bot. Then we covered Bitcoin Hyper, which is an L2 project for Bitcoin. Now let's go straight degen mode. Let's look at a pure meme coin for degens, and that's Maxi Doge. Okay, so Maxi Doge is like the Maxi form of Dogecoin. Maxi Doge trades on 1000x leverage, no stop loss, feel the Maxi pump. This one raised over or just under $2 million in the pre-sale so far. And again, for all these pre-sale projects, guys, you can buy directly from the website by simply connecting your wallet and swapping over crypto. Every single pre-sale project has like the same method. You buy, and then on the claim date, when it goes live, you actually go to claim your tokens. So if you're interested in buying, you can buy now. If you buy within the next 14 hours, you buy at a lower price. This is not a tactic pre-sale project offer by incentivizing early investors. Basically, you buy now, and when the time is around, they increase the price. And you can see this is currently the pre-sale price. And this price obviously is going to be hyper. It's going to be higher. So you see Maxi Doge. The website is all over the place. So I'm just going to go jump into the white paper where we can get an actual proper real breakdown. So crypto challenge, you know, talks about like market size and all that crap. But the solution, enter Maxi Doge, 240-pound K9 juggernaut who trades on perma 1000x leverage, powered by Red Bull and raw determination. He lifts, he pumps, he repeats. Holding Maxi gains access to the lock-in ethos, a community alpha and gamified trading event that push holder beyond ordinary gains. So again, key features of the project, you get leverage king culture, Maxi's representation, holders share strategies to amplify returns. So look at they'll be having like some holder group chat, some alpha, but the Maxi fund, treasury reserve, fuel liquidity and partnerships for campaigns. Holder only competitions, weekly trading, leaderboards, and Maxi Rip, Maxi Gain challenges. And then meme first marketing, viral gym bro humor, drives awareness beyond the crypto circles. So again, that seems to be a plan. Again, at the heart of it, it's a true degen meme coin, similar to the roots of Dogecoin, which makes it pretty bullish. Now, if you're a sophisticated trader, you're not into meme coins, you want something a little bit more bullish. God, it takes so long to take a sip because this cup's basically empty, guys, and there's actually water in there, and I'm not. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Just give me 1 second. I literally just poured out water on my laptop and I'm live. Thank you so much. God, I'm literally a buffoon. And we're live. We're loading. It's okay. See, the staff was ready on standby with towel service. Thank you, staff. We keep me in shape. Okay, please get a water cup that's not so fucking long. I'm joking. I don't need a water cup. I'm good. We're back. Yo, for you guys watching live, I'm a little bit of chaos. Spilling water over my laptop. I hope this doesn't break this thing. I mean, we're still live. That's bullish. That's bullish. Okay. What was I even saying? We're talking about we're talking about sophisticated investment for my sophisticated investors. God, my whole mind's gonna be thinking about this laptop getting fried as we are on live. But you know what? Let's roll with it. For the sophisticated investors who want to buy a pre-sale project, let's take a look at Pepe Node. Where are my sophisticated gents at? I want to see you guys in the comment section. I see you guys are watching right now. I see my live viewers. Where are you guys watching from? Drop in the comment section below. Let's get this live absolutely booming. There we go. A water cup that I can just quickly sip from. See how quick that is? I'm talking. I'm sipping. They gave me this whole effing long ass cup. Got tilted all the way back. I could barely get water in my mouth. Take a 5-second awkward pause on this live stream that I can't edit later. But anyways, for my sophisticated investors, you're looking for an opportunity. You're looking for some gains. Look no further. Look at Pepe Node. Now, if you're smart, you probably already started reading the website. Maybe I should have went full screen and covered it. I mean, you guys would have saw me pouring out the water on my laptop. Absolutely crazy. I'm literally a degen. I mean, everything's wiped up. It's clean. Let me lift my laptop. All right, yeah, we're clean. But you saw I got Maxi excited for Maxi Doge. There's literally water still here, but it's okay. Let's roll with it. So Pepe Node pre-sale. What is Pepe Node? It's this pre-sale project that's offering like this node technology where you can start earning and multiplying your money. Plus, they're offering crazy staking reward, offering 1600% AP, which is unreal, even on a high end for a pre-sale project. Plus, when you hear about the technology is even cooler. So Pepe Node lets you build your own virtual crypto mining rig machine, buy nodes, build your server room, and combine nodes for huge bonuses. It's like a mix of like a node platform and a gamification version of it, where you can buy nodes, you can upgrade your facilities, and then you could earn meme coins. They're also not only going to earn the Pepe Node meme coin, but also other meme coins like Dogecoin, Fartcoin, and others. So, and Pepe. Okay, cool. Pepe the meme coin obviously got Pepe. All right, so that's pretty cool. A little bit about how it works, more details. So essentially, guys, you're gonna be like in like this is your server room, okay? And then every Pepe Node holder begins with an empty virtual server room and a blank canvas ready to fill your virtual mining power, okay? Also, by the way, it's all virtual. It's not actual, like it's not actual miners, like no physical hardware. You're not mining on your computer either. All right, then you buy your first node, buy your mining node to activate your yield. Each node is unique an asset in its own properties. Nodes can be purchased, upgraded, or sold later to reclaim your Pep node. And then we see combine your nodes. As you combine them, there are strategic combinations to make you get a higher yield, and then you can also sell your nodes as well. So again, which could be a key strategy of the game. So again, not only is like a node mining thing, but they turn it into a whole gamification version. Again, I made a full dedicated video where we broke this down step by step on how it's going to work. And again, it's a very interesting opportunity. They currently reached over $850,000 in pre-sale, and in 1 day and 8 hours, it's going to have their next price increase. So when I buy directly from the website, and I'll link the website for all the pre-sale I covered in the description box below, so you check it out and do your own research. Okay. This one's pretty cool. I think the cool part is, I think this whole virtual server mining room is new and unique, and it's enough to get some mainstream attention, which is very bullish for project. Because again, if it gets mainstream attention, it could take off, and again, you know, do its thing. Awesome. But what was the other pro? The other pro for this one is obviously it could get mainstream attention, but other pro for this one is, and I'm just blanking out, and this is the problem when you're on a live stream. But again, obviously it's cool. You get okay. The other side to it is a gamification. So again, the play to earn space is a very massive factor within the crypto. Not only is it massive, it's a respected space within the crypto industry. So again, the fact that it's play to earn, there's high staking, high yielding. They're already starting this off, kicking off with some high yielding to begin with. As new investors come in, it could look very bullish. And if this one hits up Steam, it could absolutely send. So again, there we go, guys. That's the market update for today. We started this live off. For those who joined in late, you can always watch the recap. But essentially, we started live off talking about the market update, potentially Ethereum setting up for all-time highs, which could send us to a full altcoin season. Again, crypto markets have been slow for the past couple weeks. Historically, September has been a slow month for crypto. As we're leading up into October, again, investors or regions that can refer only up October, we see some more promising and bullish opportunities there as well. So the market's looking like a perfect position, a great time to buy dips. We also showed you guys on how I look for 100x gems. We looked to show you 3 different ways, 3 different methods. And again, for more methods like this, join our lives, watch our videos, hit the subscribe button. And then we looked at some couple of pre-sale projects, and we also did some live research on projects that were in the trending tab. Again, replays live and always available for you guys to watch later. And if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them in the comment section below. Again, guys, we're going live 2 times every single week. Again, we're gonna have a more official schedule very soon, but for now it's kind of sporadic. So hit the subscribe button, turn the bell notification on so you get notified when we go live. We also post a ton on this channel, many videos for you guys to watch and enjoy. And again, most importantly, guys, like always, remember, none of this is financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor. Therefore, this is not financial advice. That means always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel, as I'm not a financial advisor and it's not financial advice. Now, guys, that wraps the video. Like always, I hit the subscribe button and like, and stay tuned for more lives just like this. And I'll see you guys all next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar from 99 Bitcoin.